Okay, guys, long time no see. I just got back from vacation. It's like 1 in the morning, but I remember tomorrow is a big day. So, had to jump right into work, get back to it, because tomorrow, one of my cars is going off to get professionally painted. And if you've been following me, you know that I ain't never got one of my cars professionally painted. We rattle canned this SN95, but that's about it. So I'm super excited. I got a couple parts to switch over and take off, just little stuff like that, just to prep her for the paint. But y'all, I got so many packages while I was gone too. So lots of work ahead of me. But okay, let's so get like to I said, nothing too major. Gotta get the bumper, my wing, take this hood off, swap the hoods, lights out, bumper off. And y'all, look at the grass. I've only been gone like about 5 days, and when I left, the grass was nowhere near this high. But like I mentioned before, I am gonna get my floors and stuff put in, so it's gonna get taken care of. I got a lot of comments talking about why you didn't put a slab down, da 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 da. But you know, one step at a time. I was mainly focused on getting the building. Once the building was here, then I knew how much I had to put in for the flooring. I didn't want to put the flooring down and then, you know, they're not able to put the building on top of it, this and that. Anything could have went wrong, so I, you know, one step at a time. So, like I said, I am putting this bumper on the other SN95. I do gotta get up in the morning and spray it down, wash it, because just like once before, this car has been sitting with no engine or nothing in it. So, just got a little bit of prep to do to get her right for the paint. And I did mention they sent me 2 wings because one wing, the first wing that they sent me, it came cracked and damaged. And they sent me a whole other wing without no issue, so that was nice because I hate when I gotta go through the runaround to get my parts, especially when it's their fault. This, and then this hood off. Ooh, it's fire up there. Take this hood off, swap them over, take this bumper off, and I'm gonna take my lights out too, just to make the job easy for him to paint it. Yeah, she was lucky a lot heavier than I thought she would be. The hoods on my boxes are not this heavy. And something that I'm sort of worried about is the hood pin location, just because I know people put their hood pins like where they feel is best. So hopefully I don't gotta put new holes in my hood, being that it's gonna get painted. I really don't wanna do that. But, looking back and forth, we might be all right. They look like they're generally in the same location. So right now I'm sort of seeing how she fits. Seeing the holes and stuff line up. I do gotta wash it, so I'm not gonna put it up there for real. Okay, so I put them in the pinholes, but y'all see, it's not an exact fit. A little gap here, and stuff like that. So it's super close. So I'm just gonna, make this hole a little bit wider, and probably do the same for this side. This side actually went in, and it was okay. But once I put the other side in with it, you can see it was off. So just gonna do a little bit of adjustments on the holes, not too much because it's super close, so it should be okay. But that's how she's gonna look. Of course, she's gonna have the other bumper. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off so we can wash it in the morning, and that'll be that. Okay, so hood's off, got the lights out. Gotta get this bumper off, and then we good for tonight, and I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all, so we got her stripped down, bumper and everything off, like you see. So yeah, she's ready for paint. We're gonna get everything washed and loaded up in the morning, and I'm gonna see y'all then. So inside the garage, I already got the trailer hooked up to the truck. I gotta move some stuff out of the way so I can get the car out, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so we just pulled up to the shop. We got my baby on a trailer. Hey! Super, super, super excited to get her painted. So let's go ahead and get all the paperwork and stuff taken care of. I came to Gifted Hands, ran by Mr. Derek Holston. Y'all, look at my girl. This is the last look at her before she gets her paint job. Super, super, super excited. Can't wait.